Okay, so I just adjusted the camera so it's up, so I'm up on the tripod, so this way I can heat with the flame from below, and then I can see really what's happening really well. So I'm going to be looking for a little ring of solder, shiny silver solder to flow right around that edge. Now my solder is already in there, so I don't have to worry about it moving around, so I'm just going to heat it directly from underneath, watching carefully what's happening. And the flux is turning white and fuzzy, which is good. And when it runs clear, the metal will be getting nice and hot. I'm going to heat it a little bit from above too. And it's starting to move around, and I can use my tongs to kind of move it around a little bit, but that is definitely connected. And you can see the little shine of silver around the edge where the solder flowed. And then it's always hot, obviously, so pick it up with your tweezers and put it into the water to quench it, and then into the pickle to clean it up. So this is what it looks, this is what it looks like once it's been cooled. And you can see the solder flowed right around there nicely. And then I'll just clean it up in the pickle, and it'll be shiny again. Okay, that is sweat soldering.